Hello everyone, this is Robert Weber, and I wanted to do a extra credit quiz review for you. And I picked from attempt 2 question number 6, which is assignment of error is basically a fancy phrase for, and we have 4 answers to choose from, which we can go through here. And the first one is issue on appeal. And from what I can tell is this is just the case that's before the court itself. What issue does the court have to address? The second answer that we can choose from here is a rule of law. And if we look at at Google here, we can get a better idea of what the meaning of rule of law is. And it says rule of law is important because its supremacy ensures no person can claim to be above the law, and ensures adherence the principles of nature of justice, like reasonable opportunity, impartiality, decision, etc. So that gives us kind of an idea of what the rule of law is by definition. We go down to Writ of Certiorari. I'm sure I've just butchered that word. And we can look at what that means as well under the definition. Let me bring that up. And it basically says here that a writ is rare and used by an appellate court basically to order a lower court to deliver its records to them, to the higher court, the appellate court, so that they may review the actual records. We'll go on to the next answer. And the last one here is disposition of reversal. And I need to bring up that definition for you because it's actually a two-part definition. And the first part of his the term disposition has two distinct legal meanings when used in the context of litigation, or a court's final determination of a case or an issue. And error of law is it could refer to an issue on appeal, or which is proceeding on error or a mistake of law. So basically, looking at the 4 answers here, I was able kind of to come to the understanding based off those definitions that actually the first answer here is the correct one. Issue on appeal. It's actually there was an error in the court's decision. It was appealed, and it's an assignment of error. Basically, is this a fancy phrase saying that it's the issue before the court, that there was an error in another court's decision, and they're rehearing the case to correct that. So I hope I covered all the issues here in a little bit of depth. And that's my extra credit quiz review. Excuse me. Thank you. Take care.